Have you ever wondered what you can and cannot pack in your checked luggage? It's a question that a lot of people ask. They don't know what they can put inside the luggage that they check to be placed on board a plane. Well, if this is something that interests you, stay tuned because I'm going to tell you what you can pack in your checked luggage. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel. Today we're going to talk about what you can pack in your checked luggage. The TSA has found multiple crazy things in people's packed luggage that they check onto an airplane. They found meat cleavers, chainsaw, and bear spray. What the hell is bear spray? Whatever it is, it's prohibited. You can bring certain things in your checked luggage, but we're going to go through the things that you cannot bring so you do not put these in your luggage and your luggage get opened up by TSA and you find out that it did not make it to your destination. So let's get into it. So I know you are a suave traveler and you will not pack things in your carry-on that is prohibited. But would you put something in your checked luggage that you did not know the TSA prohibits you bringing on board a plane? Some people do it and don't even know that they're doing it. So you can pack a meat cleaver in your checked luggage. You also can check a chainsaw. It must be purged of gasoline. It cannot have gasoline and oil in it. So you got to take those out before you pack it. You cannot take bear spray. Like I said, what in the world is bear spray? Whatever it is, don't try to pack it and bring it along with you. Aerosols. Some aerosols are accepted to take in your checked luggage, like hairspray and insect repellent. But others, like spray paint and air freshener, they're a big no-no. You cannot take those. That will get your luggage opened up by TSA while it's in their possession. Lithium batteries. You cannot pack lithium batteries in your checked luggage. Now, I know that lithium batteries is in a lot of devices. I'm talking about laptops, smartphones, cameras, and you can bring those on board with you, but you cannot put them in your checked luggage because these batteries are known for catching on fire. If they catch on fire while they are in the baggage compartment, that is a huge problem. If they catch on fire while they're in the compartment where the flight attendants are, they can put that fire out and deal with it. But in the baggage compartment, that is grounds for the plane turning around and landing somewhere close. So you cannot pack those items. Ever heard of Christmas crackers? Well, that's those British party flavors that you can pop, that a lot of people use around the New Year's and things like that. But you cannot put those in your checked luggage, or you can't even bring those on board because they have a small amount of gunpowder in them and they are prohibited from flying. Now, the only way to get those is to probably order those, or there might be a local vendor in your area, but you cannot travel with those Christmas crackers. And don't try it. It will be a problem because they have gunpowder inside of them. Compressed gases and butane, out of the question. Don't try to bring that. That will get your luggage opened up. They are prohibited and you do not want any problems with compressed gases. Also, compressed gases can explode. So Be sure you do not have compressed gases or butane in your checked luggage, because that is a problem. That is prohibited. Hair dye. Hair dye is also prohibited. You cannot travel with hair dye. This is a problem for hairstylists and people like that travel with different products. The best thing to do is have those products shipped, because if you try to get on board with them, it will be a problem. Yes, hair dye. Cremated remains. Not a good idea to pack them in your checked luggage. Your best bet is to bring them on with your carry-on luggage. If you have cremated remains, why would you want Granny to be in a checked bag anyway? Bring her on board with you, opposed to putting them in your checked luggage. It may look like something else if your luggage gets scanned, and that's just cause for them to open it up to check Granny out and then run some kind of test to find out what the dust is. And Granny might get blown away or something. You never know. One of those TSA agents might accidentally dump her out. You don't want that to happen. So bring her on board in your carry-on luggage. Medical marijuana. Medical marijuana is prohibited from being in your checked bag. No matter what state you're traveling from, no matter what state you're traveling to, it is a problem to have medical marijuana. You need to get with the airlines to let them know that you have medical marijuana and you have a prescription for it. Let the airlines know that you have medical marijuana and what is the procedure for you traveling with that medical marijuana. But do not try to check it with your checked luggage and think you're just going to get away, because if they find it, they're gonna take it away, and you probably get to your destination and it won't be there. So get with your airlines in advance to find out what's the protocol for you traveling with medical marijuana. Thermometers and barometers, you cannot bring those on board. You cannot put those in your checked luggage either. So don't even bring them, don't even take them to the airport if it has mercury in it. Don't pack it if it has mercury. Now, a lot of people think that they can pack alcohol in their checked luggage. Well, it is the truth that you can pack liquor in your checked bag. The thing is, if it's over 70 proof, it will not pass. So if you're coming from a place like Montego Bay and you done bought some of that overproof rum, don't put it in your checked bag. It is allowed to come through customs. Now, if you have a connecting flight, you have to put it in your bag after you clear customs. So it is allowed at that point, but do not put it in there going state to state, because it will be found and it will be removed and you will be without that high proof alcohol. Guns. Now, that's a big one, because everybody wants to carry their gun to their next destination. The thing with guns is you have to get with the airlines. There is a way for you to travel, because people have permits to carry their guns all over the United States. So you have to get with the airlines and find out what their protocol is for packing a gun to carry with you to your next destination. Usually it's taking the ammunition out and having the gun in a certified lockbox, or at least a trigger lock, with you having the key and the gun being in your checked luggage, unloaded, and the ammunition being at least I think 12 inches away from it. But check with the airlines that you're traveling with. Do not try to sneak the gun, because it is a felony offense for you to do that. So be sure that you get with the airlines about traveling with your firearm. No fireworks, no tear gas, None of that stuff is gonna pass, so don't even try it. If you are carrying some type of mace, you cannot pack that as well. You're gonna have to do without it on your trip. Or if you think you definitely need it, get with the airlines before you travel. Don't wait till you get to the airport. That is not the time to find out if it's okay. Now remember, if you're traveling, the best thing to do is to check with your airlines to be sure you know exactly what you can pack in your checked luggage. Things that I suggest you have on your person, in your carry-on, have your personal jewelry. Have your jewelry with you. Do not pack that in your checked luggage. Your medication, carry that with you. Your identifications, even your extra identification, have that with you. Those things should always be with you in your carry-on luggage and not in your checked bag. And when you are packing these things, be sure that you are making note of everything that you have that is of value so that you can claim these things in case they're lost on your insurance if you have travel insurance. I hope you are buying travel insurance when you're traveling to be sure that you don't get in a situation and you lose luggage and you have no travel insurance and everything that you had in that suitcase is gone. So have a list of the things that's in there that is of value so that you can make a claim on it. Well, that's all I have for you today. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Be sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. And until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.